What is going on YouTube, and welcome to my house tour. So as you guys know, I moved out at 18 years old. So I just turned 18 in March, and I'm officially moved out of my parents' house into this lovely house located still in the same town, just in a, like completely across town, away from my parents. And yeah, this is it. So I'll give you guys a little tour of everything. Keep in mind, I do now have 2 roommates, but it's no worries. So this is a formal dining area. It's pretty nice. The house isn't like ginormous, but it isn't tiny. So here's the kitchen. It's a little messy, my apologies. We got a nice countertop, you know, sink to do my dishes and stuff. Living room and everything like that. A cooking area. I actually don't know what's in my fridge, so we're gonna check it out. We got dinner planned out always. We got some milk, some Greek yogurt, some whipped cream when I get a little crazy. Just kidding. Some Shock Top. This is not mine though. I'm not a beer kind of guy. Some frozen food, as you guys can see, because I really, yeah, well, let's leave it at that. What else? Living room, not the cleanest, my apologies. I probably should have cleaned up a little. Nice couch, a MacBook, a big TV, nice entertainment area, dog. I don't really want to show like my room and everything just because, I don't know, I don't want to. I'll show you guys the entrance area. There, you guys can see that. I'll show you guys laundry room. I mean, it's not really, it's a house. Laundry room, garage. It's actually a huge garage. Let's turn the lights on. So there's some pellet guns, not real guns. Here's a pretty decent sized garage. I mean, it's a 3-car garage. It's not a 12-car garage, so like, I need to upgrade soon. Just kidding. I'll show you guys. My cars are outside right now. We've got the M3 right there, and then the Jetta. M3 is, I'm getting rid of the M3 this week, so I will update you guys on that when that happens. Guy was gonna come buy it today, but he's actually still in the coast, so that deal's gonna have to wait a few more days. We've got the pot socks, because they're dope. Ha, get it, dope. And then we have a bathroom right here. Boom, peace, what's up? A shower, a toilet. Oh, here's a sink. You know, like some of the bathrooms in these modern houses actually have sinks. Just kidding. Laundry or a closet. And then I think I showed you guys my office actually. I'm not really too sure. But here's my office. It's literally just a room that's like my office. Like literally there's nothing else. I think I'm gonna put a day bed. Like right here though, there's my crate for my husky. But I think I'm gonna put a day bed right there. I'll show you the dog. You guys have probably seen her actually. What up, Hazel? Say hello to almost 8,000 people. I don't know how many people will watch this, but what up? But yeah, I mean, I moved out at 18. Super, super awesome. I'm super freaking grateful that I did and that I was able to do this at such a young age. I mean, obviously some people move out at 18 to go to college and stuff, but it's not normal for people to move out at a young age without like going to college or having financial support from their family and stuff like that. I don't. I actually pay rent every single month, so it's not like I'm getting help from my parents at all, truly. But yeah, I mean, this is the house. I'm super grateful that I'm able to move out. It's awesome living alone. Some downsides, I mean, really, honestly, people say money doesn't make happiness, money can't buy happiness, and I agree, it can't, but it can buy a lot of things. So for me, when I was living at my parents' house, I couldn't film like this, like whenever I wanted to. Now I can, because I'm in my own house, and I used to not be able to film all the time because I had my parents like being loud and stuff. Now I can, because no one's loud like at all. I mean, I have 2 roommates, but they're not home right now. But it's cool, I mean, it gives me freedom. No one's really complaining to me about doing chores because I'm now responsible for them, and I enjoy that a ton. And now another I would again, like I was saying, money doesn't buy happiness, but it can solve a lot of problems. So I had those few problems of like, you know, not being able to film all the time. Money is now making or allowing me to fix those problems. And now food, if I want whatever food I really want, money will allow me to get, sorry this room's really echoey, I'll move to a different room. Money will allow me to get whatever food I want now. So it's pretty sweet. I mean, some could say it's a downside that they now have to pay for their own food. I don't mind it at all. I have financial stability, so I'm not really too worried about that. It's just I have to now be responsible, and now I'm looking towards building more long-term businesses just because I realize the importance of monthly payments and stuff like that and collecting money monthly. I mean, I have some form of monthly residual income that comes in no matter what. If I die or not, it'll be coming in every single month, so that's cool, but I want to build that up to more, so I'm looking into ways to venture into that right now. I'm actually looking to create this new company that I have discussed with my future business partner with this idea. I don't know if I'm gonna hire him or have him as a co-founder or have VAs do the work for me or whatever, but I'm actually going to be forming a company. I don't wanna say too much of what it is, but it will be helping out a ton of people, including you guys. It's gonna be, well, I don't really wanna give too much insight to what it is, but that is pretty sweet. I mean, honestly, I'm super grateful to move out. I probably said that like 20 times. It is cool living on your own now. Like now I don't know, it's kind of weird though, because when I go to my parents' house, it's like I'm visiting. Like I'm not really going there to live there. I'm going there to just visit, so that's kind of, it's weird. It definitely took a little bit of adjusting, but I'm somewhat of, well, I wouldn't say somewhat, I'm a very independent person, so that's not a problem. But yeah, I mean, that's about it for today's video. I just wanted to showcase my house. I can show you guys it from the outside actually. Let's go outside. It's pretty nice. I actually really enjoy it. All right, let's step outside. There are tons of lizards around here too. I don't know if you guys saw my Snapchat story. I'll throw up a picture right there. I caught a lizard the other day. This is the house though. Get maybe a thumbnail. All right, I think there's a thumbnail picture in one of those. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I mean, I moved out at 18. That was one of my goals I set at the beginning of this year. I didn't really know how it was gonna happen. I didn't know where I was gonna move. But it happened. Now my next goal, I'm going to be wanting to move out of let's let these untint. I really want to move out of California. Not for the reason to where I hate California, or not for that reason. I like California a ton. I've been in other states and some are really boring, some are cool. But I just want to experience different environments and stuff. It's not really a financial thing. Like, I don't care if it's higher to, like the cost to live is higher in California. That's not a problem. It's just, I want to experience different things in life and different areas, so I'm looking to move potentially to Arizona or Texas, or that's kind of the two that I'm looking at right now. There definitely could be other places that I may want to live. I'm really not sure. I guess time will tell. But December is around where I want to hop into a new place completely, maybe just out of this city. I'm not really sure. I really kind of want to move out of the state just to see how it is. Maybe I'll move out of the country. I really don't know. Have no clue. We've got the little vision board right there. Visualization's huge though, guys. Like it's kind of like insane that I wrote this down, move out at 18. And I wrote that down and before I was 18, and I was like, okay, I have to do this year. Like, it's something I really want to do. As far as money go, like, I was making a lot of money at my parents' house, so I think it's good that I moved out, because now it's not one of those things where I'm like, I'm not a YouTube entrepreneur that now lives at their parents' house and like talks about making a ton of money, but still lives at home and has no responsibilities at all. So I think that's a plus as well. I mean, I'm not doing it to showcase to you guys that I can live on my own. I'm more doing it for myself, so that's cool. But yeah, guys, I would say if you have any goals or aspirations to move out of your parents' house, get your own place, just make it a goal, write it on a board right in front of you where you will see it every single day, and it will happen if you work towards it. I have this computer background. It's filled with goals that I want to achieve in the next 5 years, and I look at it every single day, read them top to bottom every single day, and understand that, like, if I want life to change, I have to personally change myself. I don't have Lamborghinis or you know, mansions yet, because I haven't yet developed into a person who is capable of owning all that stuff. I'm on the road to, but I still have to change as a person to develop the habits that will actually allow me to own that stuff. So I really keep that in mind all the time, but don't want to get too philosophical or anything. Hope you guys all enjoyed. If you guys, again, want to move out on your own, it is very simple. I mean, I would say have 6 months of living saved up in your bank account. So calculate how much it will cost you every single month and save up 6 months. And once you're at that point, I think it's a good time to move out. I mean, if you can save up that amount in a few months, that's awesome. And then if you can actually consistently make income every single month, that's awesome. I would say just do it. It's really awesome. There's tons of benefits to moving out, as far as you get to have freedom. Now I can have people over to my house whenever I would like. If I want to have girls over for movie night, I can. If I want to have friends over and we just, you know, have a good time, I can. If I want to have dinner with friends here, I can. I can really do whatever now, and it's awesome. I can be out whenever I'd like. I can go to the gym at 2 a.m. and I don't have to do, you know, tell anyone like, okay, I'm going to the gym, watch out, like, you know, or my parents aren't gonna freak out at me if I go buy an iPhone and wherever, like I can just go do whatever. So it's really awesome. I think freedom is a big thing, and it's actually gonna help me expand my overall businesses and stuff now that I'm able to work in an office rather than my room. So that's awesome as well. But other than that, I hope you guys all enjoyed. And if you guys, again, want to move out at 18, guys, just set goals and work hard towards it. If you guys have no idea, like, oh, well, how do I make money and stuff like that, I'll have a link in the description where you guys can actually click. It's a course that I've made on how to make money online. It's very simple to follow. I have tons of students killing it, and I'll leave a discount code below. But if you guys are interested, just again, go check it out and give it a thought. I mean, it's very simple to do. I just made $200 in like 30 minutes yesterday with it, so it's a very simple business model if you have the right maps. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed my house tour and hope you guys like the house. But that's about it. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Subscribe and like this video if you did enjoy. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow. I actually think there's gonna be 2 videos posted today. One is how I made $200 in 30 minutes, and then this house tour. So those will both drop today. It's the 8th right now. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.